If you're a professional, you need to know how robotics will change everything. Ready? Let's dive in. By integrating advanced AI, robots will soon perform complex tasks autonomously. Imagine healthcare transformed with surgical precision and robotic assistance aiding recovery. Industry 4.0 is on the horizon, with smart factories and automated processes boosting production efficiency. Service robots will become household and business staples, handling chores and customer service effortlessly. Agriculture will see a boost too, with robots planting, weeding and harvesting crops. Autonomous vehicles will revolutionize transportation, making it safer and more efficient. In education, robots will be both tools and subjects of study, prepping future generations. Of course, this tech boom brings ethical and legal challenges from privacy to AI decisions. But fear not, collaborative robots will work safely alongside us, enhancing productivity. And let's not forget space exploration. Robots will help us reach for the stars. The future of robotics is here, and it's going to be incredible. Are you ready for the ride?